going to ask you something. What are your five senses?
Touch. Seeing.
Malika's five senses are...
Seeing. Smelling. Tasting. Hearing.
And...
Touching.
Very good. So, for seeing, what will you use? For seeing, your...
Eyes.
For smelling, you will use your...
Nose.
Where's your nose? Then for tasting, what will you use?
Mouth.
And your...
Tongue.
Yeah. So for hearing, what will you use?
Ears.
Ears.